Hello there, YouTube. I am here with a new video here. We've got new locomotive that, in fact, I believe since the passenger cars, this will be the first locomotive unboxing. Um, so yeah, this is the Walther's TrainLine uh, locomotive. Excuse me. The GP9M from the Santa Fe. Once again, I didn't do any research on it, mostly because that's not my place. You could definitely probably look anywhere else on YouTube for that. I'm just here for the model. Because generally some of my research isn't 100%, so yeah. That's pretty much why. Yeah, so kind of have simple box. I believe this is more of their child-friendly line. I have some other. I believe I only have two cars that are from the Walther's train line. Which I'm planning on getting a lot more of their stuff because of how inexpensive it is. So yeah, unboxing it now. That to the side. So just got this oiling, where to oil, and then where to grease. So that's that. No exploded diagram on this. Okay. There we go. Maybe that might help. Alright. About to put it on the pool table. There we go. So, yeah, it is a very nice model. I got this model off of Amazon. For, I believe, it's more expensive on Amazon, I believe. I may be wrong, I don't remember. But with shipping and everything, it was about $50. Train World, I believe, was selling it. I think it's the War Bonnet scheme, the red and silver. That was, I think, on Train World still. It just kept declining my card, so I couldn't get that one, which is whatever. I'm probably gonna get more in this color scheme. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty nice. Just looking at it, I would have thought these grab irons were going to be a little bit more chunkier, but they're really not. I would figure they would have been a little bit more chunkier. One thing I did notice was the KD coupler back here, or they're all KD, but the coupler back here was, and I think that was just due to the shipping, was kind of cranked past the point. So really, all you just do is just gently push it together, and it should click in. I might actually have to replace that because the springy plastic piece is bent way too far, so I'll have to replace that. Otherwise, it looks really good. A lot of molded in detail. The front has the suicide steps for obviously their name. Sorry about that. My storage ran out on my phone. I need to clear that out. Anyways, great locomotive. I still need to have it ran in. Like I said, the detailing and whatnot on it is really good for what it is. Once again, this isn't like the other. I have another Walther. Walther's locomotive here. You're not getting the same, like, what you'll spend for this is what you're going to spend. What you're getting for this is what you're getting. So very different, very good for small children who are, with parental guidance or parental or an older relative, I guess, to look over. But it's great for that. Not a lot of pieces and details that could break off. Of course, you'll want one that you'd get this for someone who's not going to choke on it. But beyond that, it's pretty great. In fact, I'm planning on getting this for my little sisters who are not at the recommended age, but they, at times prove themselves to be old enough, and at the same time, it's something they're into. So I've luckily, I don't know, luckily passed on. But anyways, once again, it's a really good model. Just looking at it, it's very eye pleasing. And so yeah, it's pretty great. I will run this in, and yeah. It's now getting pretty late. I had it ran in. Now something I noticed was it does not have directional lighting, so which is unfortunate, but it works for me. Those two box cars are also Walther's TrainLine cars, the only ones I have at this current video. Thank you for watching. This has been Lee's Trains, out.